In this example, we're going to look at how MontyCloud helps partners use the AWS Well-Architected framework not just as an assessment tool, but as a way to build stronger and more trusted relationships with their customers. We begin in the main dashboard. From here, we navigate to the Well-Architected section on the left. This area contains the well-architected reviews generated across the environments connected to the platform. For this example, we'll open the first review in the list. At the top of the review, we see an overview of the assessment. MontyCloud shows the number of high-risk questions, medium-risk questions, unanswered questions, and questions marked not applicable. We can also see the number of findings that passed and the number that failed. This immediately gives us a sense of the overall health of the environment. Next, we expand the section for the AWS Well-Architected framework. Here we can see how findings are distributed across the well-architected pillars. This helps us quickly understand where the largest risks or improvement opportunities exist. In this example, we'll open the security pillar. We can see that this environment currently has 328 issues identified in the security category. That tells us security posture is an area worth investigating further. We open the first question in the review. This question focuses on whether the environment stays up to date with security threats and recommendations. In this case, there are 16 failed findings associated with this control. That suggests certain resources in the environment are not meeting this requirement. To understand exactly which resources are involved, we click on the 16 failed findings. MontyCloud automatically filters the results and shows the specific resources associated with the issue. Here we can see the resource identifiers for each finding, which allows engineers to quickly identify where the problem exists. From this view, we can also take action. Selecting more on the right allows us to remediate the finding, suppress it, share it, or copy the information. If we choose Remediate, MontyCloud opens a library of remediation scripts. If a script already exists, it can be used immediately to resolve the issue. If not, MontyCloud also provides artificial intelligence-powered live coaching. There are 3 types of responses available. The professional response is designed for engineers and provides detailed instructions on how to resolve the issue, including console steps and command line examples. The simple response provides a short explanation of the issue and why it matters, making it easy to understand the problem at a glance. Finally, the strategic response provides an executive-level perspective. It explains the risk exposure, the potential impact of inaction, and often includes industry benchmarks. Partners frequently use this information when preparing reports or statements of work. At this point, it is helpful to step back and look at how partners actually use this capability. For many organizations, the phrase well-architected review can sound intimidating. Instead of presenting it as a formal audit, many partners simply run these assessments regularly and position them as a monthly or quarterly cloud checkup. This changes the dynamic of the conversation. Rather than trying to sell services, the partner is helping the customer understand their environment and where improvements can be made. To support this process, MontyCloud also generates automated opportunity insights. From the management dashboard, we open the workflow section and select opportunities. Here we open the Well-Architected Insights report. This report summarizes the customer's posture across the well-architected pillars and highlights optimization opportunities across security, cost, reliability, and operational excellence. Importantly, it does this without exposing the detailed assessment questions. That makes the report easy to share with customers and leadership teams. Instead of focusing on technical controls, the conversation becomes about improving the customer's cloud posture over time. By continuously scanning environments, identifying improvement opportunities, and translating those insights into actionable recommendations, MontyCloud helps partners position themselves as trusted advisors, helping customers operate in the cloud more securely and efficiently.